Now that you're all set to study abroad, it's time to start preparing for your study abroad experience. In this video, we'll go through tips for buying plane tickets, packing tips, and completing your pre-departure requirements. We'll also talk about getting in touch with other students from your program and returnees from your program.
There are many websites you can use to find the cheapest and best flights for you. Websites like Student Universe, Kayak, Skyscanner, and Hopper allow you to search for flights and compare prices. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on the prices and buy as soon as you can before prices increase. As you get closer to the time you need to fly, the ticket prices often get more expensive. If you're looking at flights that have a connection, that aren't direct flights to your destination, make sure to look at how long the layover is and that it isn't too short or too long, as well as if you would need to change airports during the layover. You can also contact the Study Abroad office to get the contact information of other students going on the trip if you want to coordinate flights together.
By Googling Study Abroad Packing Tips, you'll find many resources to help you pack strategically as well as comprehensive packing lists. Some things to think about when packing are the type of region you'll be studying in, how conservative the country's culture is, and the typical weather in the country for the time that you'll be there. Do some research on the country, places you might want to travel to, how much would you expect to walk on a day-to-day basis, for example, when beginning to make your packing list. You also don't want to wait until the very last minute to pack. Start making your list early and putting things together several days before you leave to make sure to not miss anything on your list.
You can also talk to returnees from the country you're going to in order to see what specific tips they may have for traveling to that country.
You will be required to complete pre-departure requirements through Triton's Abroad, My EAP, or your OAP program. Make sure to pay attention to all emails to make sure you're doing everything on time.
If you are interested in meeting the people going on your program before you arrive in the country, or a returnee who studied abroad in the same country you're going to, you can contact the Study Abroad office and we will do our best to connect you with the other students.
If you have any questions throughout the preparation process, whether it's about purchasing plane tickets, packing, or completing pre-departure requirements, please don't hesitate to contact us. The Study Abroad office is located here in Matthews Quad, and we're here to help you every step of the way.
Check out our next video, A Guide to Being Abroad, to figure out some ways that you can make the most out of your study abroad experience.